Picture yourself in the 2016 Jeep Patriot. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This iconically styled Patriot delivers rugged versatility and family-friendly comfort. Spacious, flexible, and infused with an undeniable spirit of adventure, this compact SUV lives up to its legendary off-road heritage. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Rugged versatility blends with family-friendly comfort in this good-looking Patriot. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.